Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn Lacey, Olympia. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 5, 4 miles from Olympia, this hotel offers free Wi-Fi in all guest rooms. A complimentary grab-and-go breakfast is provided and guests can take advantage of on-site laundry facilities. Cable TV is available in all rooms at the Comfort Inn Lacey, Olympia. A microwave, small fridge, and coffee-making facilities are provided. An indoor pool and hot tub are available for guest relaxation at the Comfort Inn Lacey, Olympia. Copy and fax services are offered to guests. The Tacoma Dome is 30 minutes drive from the hotel. St. Martin's College is 10 minutes walk away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.